Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Basalam, April 20, 2024, 4-star Sudoku. Column H, we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come any one of these cells. We will confirm later. The 9th grade. Two numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 9th row, 6th row, and 5th row, and 2nd grade. We have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 9th row, 5th row, and 2nd row, we get pair numbers 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining. 173, it will come in one of these cells. 2nd grade and 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 8. Column A, column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row, column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 9, 1. Column C, we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 2, 3, 4. The 3 number can't come the 3 cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column B, column A, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 8th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 5. It will come in one of these cells. Column C, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column A, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 7th grade, 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column C, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column E, 4 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 6, 7. 2nd grade, we have 3 and 8. Or so 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. And then 8 is here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. 3rd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 2nd grade, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9, it will come in one of these cells. Column D, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column F, only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Fifth grade, column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6, it will come in one of these cells. Sixth row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Fifth row, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Then sixth grade, on sixth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 8, 9, it will come in one of these cells. Column H, we have 8 and 9, so 8 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then sixth grade, on sixth row, only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column I, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5, it will come in one of these cells. First row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Third row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column G, on third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. First row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Third row, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column B, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column A, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.